hak jingjia ka basno pala bat ka bala manlong ka bamaru uridip saikya arpukundais nam karata ula persang bandrung hak Guinness World Record ka babam yu 10 kilo Rnga Barhem ya kane ka jingjia la panlong ka Sports Authority of Assam hak ba kipaj ba kilapaj haba ulale ya kane ka kam empat chai na ka ka daw bola jid ya kane ka jing kum ka jing persang jong u handre ki khbor kila ka daw bola simta haki vai pat ki chimpun baj World Record Kajingjia ka basngo tanat ka lang ba umpadan kano ka record kum kane ha ka website jong ka Guinness ka ba penlong ya kane ka jing persang ka ban kong kum kane ka chai wala nga baladap tang udan jing mun toy ha ka jing sumar ki start ka kwat ka kya ila pentim ba ban bam yu ha ba udang rahem kalong ka basir kay pat ka ba ma sibun ka jing ma ha ka kwat ka kya halot ka jing bam ya nga ha ka jing buon kampat sai satya hadu menta empadan ka jing pentikina na ka Guinness World Record ladaan pediang na ya kane kacing persyang handrei kane kala penisai kacing trestom bat kicing ja ki bakrau baki Briew kila banle na ka Bynta man yo rum hak a World Record.
A man is trying to get into the Guinness World Record book with an unusual, potentially dangerous stunt. 29-year-old Ridip Saika of India ate a kilo of burning charcoal in under a minute. He performed his feat in public so people could marvel at his talent. The event was organized by the Sports Authority of Assam. If you're asking why, well, it's unclear why Saika chose this activity to be his challenge, although reports say he has competed in other record-breaking competitions. It doesn't seem like there's a current record holder for most burning charcoal consumed in a minute on Guinness's website. Aside from the obvious dangers of ingesting fire, it's unknown what eating that much burning charcoal can do to a person. Activated charcoal has some medical uses, but it's not administered to patients while it's flaming. No word if Guinness will certify the record, but it certainly shows the lengths some people will go to achieve a world record.